Hello, welcome to another EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this TM SGR12. This came in for repairs with a blown Mosfet. Was the problem with this one. And apologies for we've spent quite a lot of time sourcing parts to get this one back up and going. Parts that normally we carry in stock, but slow things up, including our own springs. So, you know what it's like, obviously, with getting stock these days. It's a pain in the butts. Manufacturers, even the factories, to do stuff. But we've got the parts sorted, and the current list is Warhead motor, the black standard short type on this particular gun. We've got three 275mm barrels fit into it from Prometheus. We've got a gate Pico basic Mosfet in there. Okay, so that's in the absolute sort of basic set. What we've done, we've actually fit that on the inside of the gearbox, and it's very neat, and then comes out with just a little bit of wiring going back down the gun. It's almost like an internal FET there, I guess. And we were quite happy with it. Also, we did actually fit a more complicated Mosfet, but it was causing interference with the Warhead motor. So we've had to switch to a non-AB FET in order to get the gun to actually even work, right? So yeah, that was fun. Wasted, but you know, gun tech can be gun teching. We've also got the hop arms, so from EagleSix, you know, with the flat with no bias on them. We've also got the flat EagleSix Nub in there to put a bit more pressure. So basically, they come as two different products now. So and just a few things. We've got an EagleSix M95, which actually came in a bit hot, so we had to take a couple of coils off that in order to get it consistently below the FPS limit. And three Prometheus hop rubbers, and on 3.2 BBs we tested this, shooting pretty much tight groupings out to 65 meters, which and this thing is obviously firing 3 at a time out to that distance, and like I say, it's a sort of spread where a person would be standing at 65 meters at 30 rounds a second. These things are mental, and definitely worth considering for any airsoft. I think they're a little bit overpowered, you know, because it's just a lot of ammo to be sending that accurately at that distance. Yeah, we hope you enjoy it. Obviously, here we're just going to demonstrate it working. Obviously, it was mainly in to just get the gun going again, you know. So obviously, we've got a bit OTT on the upgrades there. There, we've got it working, all the operations back. Luckily, obviously, they aren't too complicated on these Mosfets, so removing them doesn't lose you really any features. Although it's just quite interesting how compatible that TM Mosfet is with the Warhead motor, because we have no issues with the Mosfet from TM, which is ironic because you would have thought there would be more problems with the TM motors, Mosfets, and having to rip them out and everything just to work with Warheads. But no, they're very compatible with Warheads, so I was very shocked that the Gate Pico AB was causing a problem there. But you know, obviously they are a unique gun with a unique way of doing the cut-off lever on these, you know, which is potentially, like I say, causing a little bit of a timing issue there, I think. So, carry on testing. Before we obviously cut the spring down, you know, these were shooting 3.2s at something like nearly, I think it was 290. I think these 3.2s were coming out, which is, I mean, 65 meters, 290 feet per second. I mean, it was dominating. It was, I don't want to be receiving end of it. So obviously we had to bring that down a bit, but just goes to show you, if you're obviously an American, you've got a 400 FPS limit. These things could be amazing. You know what I mean? So so yeah, it's, you know, I mean, they are popular in America. hollowed out the butt pad for the 2200 battery, and that should fit in there nicely. I think that's pretty much about it. So obviously, you know, it's good performance. Hopefully it gives you that increased battery life with that Warhead motor, and yeah, just overall you have fun. But any problems, let us know. But otherwise, we hope you have a great time with it. Thank you.